Welcome to Happy Hands and Hearts. Artificial intelligence is hungry. To become smart, it has already read almost everything humans have ever written on the internet. But now, we are hitting a wall. We are running out of high-quality human data. The logic of the next frontier is synthetic data. It is the shift from a machine that learns from us, to a machine that learns from itself. Think of a pilot. To learn how to fly a plane in a storm, they don't wait for a real storm to happen. That would be dangerous and slow. Instead, they use a flight simulator. The simulator is synthetic reality. It follows the exact same logic and physics as the real world, but it is generated by a computer. Synthetic data is a knowledge simulator. We use one AI to create perfectly structured, safe, and infinite examples for another AI to study. Why would a machine want a fake data? Because human data is messy. It contains typos, bias, and errors. The logic of synthetic data is distillation. An AI can take 1,000,000 messy human conversations and distill them into one perfect, logical lesson. It can also create edge cases, rare scenarios that rarely happen in real life, but are critical for a machine to understand, like a self-driving car encountering a unicycle on a highway. But there is a logical risk: model collapse. If a machine learns only from itself without any connection to reality, it starts to make mistakes. Think of a photocopy of a photocopy. Each version gets a little blurrier until the logic disappears. To prevent this, the machine must always be anchored by a seed of human truth. Synthetic data isn't a replacement for reality, it is an expansion of it. Synthetic data proves that intelligence isn't just about what we find, it's about what we can imagine and verify. When machines teach machines, the speed of logic becomes infinite. Logic is universal. Tools are temporary. Anybody can learn AI. Thank you for joining the vault.